Welcome back to Automoto Vibes 07, your ultimate destination for all things wheels and innovation. Today, we're diving into something that's not just eco-friendly, but also a total game-changer for urban and rural transport at the Vepsya Electric Rickshaw 2025. If you think e-rickshaws are just about saving fuel, think again. This one's redefining what it means to ride smart. Let's kick things off with the design. The Vepsya Electric Rickshaw 2025 stands out in the crowd with its futuristic styling. It features a bold front grille, smart LED headlamps, and indicator-mounted mirrors that give it a modern-day edge. The reinforced steel body ensures durability, while the glossy dual-tone paint jobs are available in colors like urban blue, leafy green, and metallic gray make it look as stylish as it is functional. Whether you're riding through a busy market or parked at a charging station, this e-rickshaw demands attention. Now step inside, and the surprises keep coming. The interior is designed with comfort and utility in mind. The seating arrangement is wide, comfortable, and upholstered in weather-resistant materials. It can easily accommodate up to 4 passengers in the back, and the driver's area is well laid out with ample legroom and a solid backrest for long working hours. You also get handy features like a digital instrument cluster, mobile charging socket, FM radio, and optional Bluetooth speakers to keep your vibe strong throughout the day. Now, performance is where the Vepsya really impresses. Powered by a 1200 watts BLDC motor, this electric rickshaw delivers smooth acceleration and low noise performance. The motor is paired with a high-efficiency lithium-ion battery, which not only charges faster but also lasts longer. On a full charge, you can expect a range of up to 140 kilometers, and the top speed caps at a decent 45 kilometers per hour, perfect for city and semi-urban routes. Charging it takes just 4 to 5 hours, and the best part? It can be charged from any standard home socket. The ride quality is exceptional for a 3-wheeler. Vepsya has fitted this model with hydraulic shock absorbers, heavy-duty suspension, and tubeless anti-skid tires, which means you can cruise over potholes and speed bumps without breaking a sweat. Safety is also taken seriously with drum brakes on all 3 wheels, reinforced chassis construction, and a weather-protected electrical system. Another big win for the Vepsya is its low running cost. Forget about rising petrol and diesel prices as this e-rickshaw runs for mere pennies per kilometer. Plus, the maintenance is super low thanks to its simple electric drivetrain. And with the government offering subsidies and incentives on electric vehicles, you could own one of these for just a superscript 11.3 to a superscript 11.6 lakhs, depending on your choice of features and battery capacity. Whether you're a daily commuter, a local transporter, or someone looking to start an eco-conscious fleet, the Vepsya Electric Rickshaw 2025 offers everything: a style, performance, reliability, and unbeatable savings. It's an investment that pays off fast and helps you contribute to a cleaner, greener tomorrow. So, is the Vepsya Electric Rickshaw 2025 worth it? Absolutely. It's more than just a ride, it's a smart business move, a green initiative, and a futuristic take on everyday transport. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and smash that bell icon so you never miss an update from Automoto Vibes 07. We've got more F reviews, bikes, SUVs, and everything in between coming your way.